Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share my favorite July Prime Day deals. It started today, which is Tuesday, July 8th, and it goes through July 11th. To make it easier, I've put all the Prime Day deals in one list, so I'll just link this down in my description box so you can find anything I'm looking for. Before I go into Amazon Prime deals, I found some good sales on Target Circle Week and Cricut. This is for the Explore 4 and Maker 4, so I want to show those really quickly. I took a screenshot to make this a little easier to show, but Target has their Target Circle Week going right now. They have the Cricut Explore 4 on sale for $229. If you look down at the way bottom, you'll also get a $10 gift card when you purchase this. And if you have a red card, you get 5% off. So you can stack all those deals. The Cricut Maker 4 is also on sale. This is priced at $379. You'll also get a $10 Target gift card. And if you have the Target Circle card, you'll get 5% off. Over on Cricut's website, the Explore 4 is $229 also, so the same price as Target. If you have Cricut Access, then you'll receive 10% off of this. So this is actually a little bit better deal if you do have Cricut Access already, or you can sign up for it. This is just for the machine only. They do have bundles that are on sale as well. This one's $339. And this one is $299. And this one includes the subscription. You can see what's included in all of these and see which one you think would be the best. I personally have only ever ordered the machines, and then I just go in and buy the materials at a different time. Part of the reason why is I don't always use Cricut's transfer tape or material. The Cricut Maker is on sale for $379, so once again, the same as Target, and if you have Cricut Access, you can get that 10% off. I'll put a link down below for Cricut Access as well. The Cricut Explore 4 and the Cricut Maker 4 are the two newest Cricut machines. These are great prices for them. If you're looking to buy one of these, I would say either Target or Cricut's website would be really good. I'm back over on Amazon, and they do have some machine bundles on sale as well for Prime Day, so you can take a look at those if you want to as well. The Cricut Venture is on sale for $599. That's the same price over on Cricut. I just realized it shows the price with Access, it'd be $549. So if you have Access, it would be better to purchase it on Cricut's website. The Cricut Joy Extra, there is a bundle on Prime Day. There's also some sales for the regular Cricut Joy. The Cricut Easy Press Mini is on sale for $39. That's a great price. So if you're looking to purchase one of these, this would be a good time to do it. I use mine all the time. The Cricut Mug Press is on sale. This one includes 12 mugs. There's another option if you click on it that has 4 mugs, and it's $99. The Cricut Hat Press is on sale. This one includes 12 hats, and it's $99. If you click on it, there's another option for 3 hats, and it's $79. I tried to organize this as best as I could, so now I'm moving on to heat press machines. The HTV Ront Auto Heat Press machine is on sale. I love these machines. They're very user-friendly. I would recommend the second one though, because this has a pressure setting where you can increase the pressure. So if you are looking at these, that's the one I would recommend. However, this one is still good. There's a couple auto tumbler press machines on sale. I have the go-to craft one and really love that one. But the HTV Ront one looks like it's a little cheaper. I haven't personally tested this one, but it does help to read the reviews if you're trying to decide what machine you want. The PYD Life ovens are on sale. There's their mini, which is 12L. Is that liters? And then they have the 25 and the 40. The silicone sublimation wraps are on sale. I love these because you can use a bigger variety of tumblers and cups with it. This craft cart is so awesome, and this is a good price. I gave it to my sister when I got my dream box, but I do have a video showing how I used it. I can link it down in my description box. But it's perfectly tailored for the Cricut machine. If you are a big crafter and have tons of supplies, it's not going to work, but honestly, it'll hold quite a bit. So I do recommend this craft cart. This is an Epson Echo Tank that you can use for sublimation. I feel like there was another one on sale. I'll have to look and see, but that's a great price for that. Now going down to Cricut tools. These are ones that I love. This cup tumbler is amazing. I use it anytime I'm making cups or tumblers. It's only a couple dollars off, but I highly recommend that. I have a t-shirt guide that I always recommend. The one that I have isn't sold anymore, but there's a couple on sale for Prime Day. This Beardly Art Glue is amazing. I never wanted to do any gluing type projects until I found it. I highly recommend it. This one's the mini, but I feel like it's still a pretty good size. So if you're looking for something where you need precision glue, I recommend that one. It's on a good sale. Here's a few other things that I like to use in my craft room. Tons of mats are on sale. I've added a few in here, the Cricut and Nakapa mats. There's even more options. So you might want to just search Cricut mats and see what pops up. Going down to material, I really like HTV Ront material, and they have quite a few Prime Day deals for that. Cricut also has a lot, and I don't think I have all of them on here, so you can search that as well. The Smart Vinyl you can use without a mat, so if you are looking for those, there's some options on there. Going down to some organization and blanks. I always love these photo cases, and I use them for tons of other things, for storage. I use them for cord storage, so they're awesome. I also recently did a video of labeling bins for organization, and these are both on sale. I used it for the video. I always like these mesh bags. You can add vinyl to them to label them. Here's some glassware that's on sale. Going down to sublimation, I don't use Hippo ink, but I know a lot of people do, so I added that on there. I love these PYD Life gloves. These $5 ones are fine, they work, but these ones are like heavy duty, and I just use those more. It is harder to like tear paper off with it, so I do use these as well. ASO paper is on sale, and I do not see that go on sale very often. I like to use this gray one for just kind of everyday sublimation projects. This one has a lighter paper weight, so if I'm doing tumbler wraps and I'm trying to have a thin crease line, I like to use this one. I also added PYD Life sublimation sheets. This comes with the same amount of sheets, and it's a couple dollars cheaper. Using both of these, I don't notice a difference in the quality. They both seem great. Here is sublimation shrink wrap sleeves if you have an oven. I just bought these jumbo paper clips, and I'm hoping to get a video posted this week on them, but I spent $16 and now they're $11. It looks like it's going to be a fun project. Here's some sublimation tumblers. I've also added a few other things that I found. This label maker is only $17, and it says it's normally $40, so that's really good. I also love my Kindle, so I just wanted to put it on there if you're in the market for that. And a few other things. I have this Echo Dot in my kids' rooms. That's a really good price. The Amazon Echo. I use the iPad sometimes for Cricut or crafting projects. This case is really cool because it has a keyboard that comes with it. Also, my son is very into drawing, and these Posca markers are so cool. They are paint markers. This price is amazing. It's normally about $20, so that's a good price. For the last one on here, I have my ring light that I use for filming my videos. So if you film videos, I recommend this one. I have two of them. Okay, that is all for my finds. I'll probably keep adding to this list if I see more since it's the first day. Let me know what you're looking for or if there's anything you've picked up already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.